After the suspension of the stay orders by a three-member bench of the Supreme Court in December, the Punjab government ordered the Lahore Development Authority and City District Government Lahore to carry out the demolition operation against illegal plazas. 400 plazas fall within LDS jurisdiction, while 4,500 buildings are under the control of CDGL. Even some of the architects of these plazas have also retracted their safety standard certificates and say that if any building collapses, then the responsibility lies with the demolishing authorities. The demolition of these plazas has led authorities to close the roads near them, causing traffic mayhem. But the prime affectees are the businessmen of the demolished plazas, as their source of income is no longer with them.
कोई तुक नहीं बनता इस तरह के लाखों हज़ारों लोग जो बेरोज़गार हो रहे हैं, बिजनेस तबाह हो रहे हैं, पहले मुल्की हालात ठीक नहीं है, उसके ऊपर से ये सिलसिला शुरू हो गया है।
यहाँ पे प्लाजा बिल्कुल फारग है, 10-12 दिन से कोई दुकानदार ऐसा नहीं है जिसने सेल की हो।
The Punjab government has announced compensation for the affected shopkeepers, and this compensation will come from auctioning the properties of illegal plaza owners. Umar Farooq, Dawn News, Lahore.